It is sunrise. The light is soft and new. You are standing at a crossroads. Two paths stretch out before you. One path is familiar. You have walked it many times. It is paved and clear. It feels safe. The other path is unknown. It is not paved. It glows with a faint, gentle light. The air is still and quiet. The whole world seems to be holding its breath, waiting for you to choose. This is more than a simple choice between two roads. It is a choice between the life you know and the life that could be. It is a choice between comfort and growth. It is a choice between the familiar past and a potential future. This is the moment before a big decision. This is the small, quiet pause that can change everything. Your heart beats a little faster. Your mind fills with questions. The pause before a decision feels heavy. It is filled with the ghosts of past mistakes and the anxieties of future uncertainties. Your mind plays out every possible negative outcome. It reminds you of all the times you tried and did not succeed. It paints vivid pictures of failure and disappointment. This is the mind's way of trying to protect you. It wants to keep you safe in the familiar territory of what you already know. It prefers the predictable comfort of the old path, even if that path no longer brings you joy or fulfillment. It tells you that the risk is too great and the reward too uncertain. Listen to these fears. Acknowledge them. Thank your mind for trying to keep you safe. But do not let fear be the only voice in the room. There is another voice, a quieter one. It is the voice of your intuition, your heart, your soul. It speaks of possibility. It speaks of purpose. It speaks of a deeper sense of alignment and peace. This voice does not shout. It whispers. To hear it, you must become still. You must breathe through the noise of your anxiety. The pause is your opportunity to tune into this wiser, deeper part of yourself and ask, what does my soul truly want? This moment of hesitation is also a mirror. It reflects back to you what you truly value. If your greatest fear is losing security, it shows you how much you value stability. If your greatest fear is regret, it shows you how much you value experience and growth. The choice is not just between two paths, it is a choice between your values. Are you choosing a life guided by the avoidance of fear, or a life guided by the pursuit of purpose? The moment you truly decide, everything begins to shift. It is not a loud explosion, but a quiet, internal realignment. Saying yes to the new path is like planting a seed. The full-grown tree is not there yet. The fruit is not ready to be picked. But the potential for it all is contained within that single, intentional act. The decision is the first cause. It sets in motion a chain of events that will slowly but surely reshape your world. Your mind begins to look for opportunities instead of obstacles. Your body feels a new sense of energy and direction. This is how a new life begins. Saying yes is not a magical spell that solves all your problems. It is the first move in a long game. It is the commitment that makes all the other moves possible. After the big yes, a series of smaller choices will follow. You choose to wake up a little earlier. You choose to read instead of scrolling. You choose to make the difficult phone call you have been avoiding. Each of these small actions is a footstep on the new path. One step leads to another, and with repetition, these steps form new habits. Think of your life as a story. The decision to say yes is the moment you turn to a blank page. The old chapter is finished. You now hold the pen. The first sentence you write is your first action. It might be a small, simple sentence. Today, I will walk for 10 minutes. Or, today, I will send one email. These small beginnings are powerful. They break the inertia of the past, they create momentum, and momentum is the force that will carry you forward even on days when you feel tired or discouraged. The moment you act on your decision, you are no longer the person who was standing still at the crossroads. You are a person in motion. You are a person on a journey. After the initial excitement of your decision, the struggle will often come. The glow of the new path may dim. Obstacles will appear like stones in your way. Doubt, which was quiet for a moment, will return and speak in a louder voice. You will have long days and late nights. You will face hard work that tests your limits. Fear will creep back, making you question everything. You will wonder, did I make the right choice? Was the old path better after all? This is a normal and expected part of any meaningful journey. Growth is not a smooth, easy ascent. It is a challenging climb that demands your effort. When doubt feels overwhelming, you must have anchors. Your why is your most powerful anchor. Remember the feeling you had at the crossroads. Remember the deep reason you chose this new path. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it every day. Your why is your North Star. It will guide you when you are lost in the fog of fear and uncertainty. Another anchor is to track your small wins. Keep a journal of your progress, no matter how small. A task you completed, a kind word you received, a moment you chose courage over comfort. These small victories are proof that you are moving forward. Courage is not the absence of fear. If you wait until you are no longer afraid, you will wait forever. Courage is the choice to act in the presence of fear. It is feeling the fear and taking the next step anyway. Each time you do this, you build your courage muscle. Think of each small, courageous step as a lamp you are lighting. It does not eliminate the darkness entirely, but it pushes it back. Over time, the path becomes brighter, and fear's power over you diminishes. As courage replaces fear, you see a person who is capable and keeps promises to themselves. As you continue to walk your chosen path, you will begin to notice that the landscape of your life has changed. A single decision, followed by consistent action, can realign everything. The way you spend your mornings might be different. The people you spend your time with might change. The work you do may feel more meaningful. Old habits that once defined your days slowly fall away, replaced by new routines that support your growth. The shift can be so gradual that you might not notice it day by day. But one day, you will look back and be amazed at how far you have come. Symbolic moments will appear along your journey. They are like signposts, letting you know you are on the right track. You might feel a door opening. You might see a mountain in the distance. Sunlight will hit the ground in a new way. These images, whether real or in your mind, are part of the story. They give shape and meaning to your progress. They show movement. They show hope. They show the slow, steady rise from a place of hesitation to a place of purpose. This journey changes not just what you do, but who you are. Your values may shift. Things that used to seem incredibly important may now feel trivial. You might value quiet moments of peace more than constant noise and distraction. You might value deep connection more than superficial acquaintances. This transformation creates a new foundation for your life. You are building a life not on external expectations, but on your own authentic choices. The change brings a new sense of peace. This is not the peace of inaction, but the peace of alignment. It is knowing you are in the right place, even when it is hard. It is waking up with purpose. The internal feeling of being at home in your own life is the true reward. Quiet, unshakable integrity with your soul. In our world today, in 2025, the call to say yes is connected to powerful modern ideas. Many people are searching for a deeper sense of mindfulness. They are tired of the constant noise, the endless notifications, and the pressure to always be connected. Saying yes might mean choosing to disconnect more often. It might mean creating sacred, quiet time each day to just be present. This is not an escape from life, but a way to engage with it more deeply. Your yes can be a commitment to your own mental and spiritual well-being in a world that constantly pulls you outward. Another powerful theme is the quest for digital independence. The old model of working for one company for 40 years is fading. People seek freedom and autonomy. Your yes might be to start a small online business, to become a freelancer, or to build a creative project on the side. It is about taking ownership of your livelihood and creating work that aligns with your purpose, not just a paycheck. Use the tools of the modern world to build a life on your own terms. These trends are expressions of the inner journey. Mindfulness helps you hear your inner voice. A self-directed career is taking your life into your own hands. One yes can break systems that no longer serve you. It could be a yes to learning, a yes to community, or a yes to prioritizing mental health above productivity. These choices are interconnected. They lead toward a more integrated, purposeful life. Ultimately, saying yes in 2025 is about reclaiming your power. You are not a passive consumer. You can be an active creator. Define your own success. Set your own schedule. Choose what you give your attention to. This is not about rejecting the world, but about engaging with it consciously. Your one decision to say yes is a powerful declaration that you are the director of your own story. It is a commitment to intention, freedom, and purpose. Yeah, that choice matters. Imagine looking back on your life years from now. You are standing on a hill, looking back at the path you have walked. You can see the faint footprints stretching all the way back to that crossroads. You remember the fear you felt. You remember the doubt. But you also see the small acts of courage. You see the moments of struggle that made you stronger. You see how one small step led to another, and how all those steps together created the beautiful, meaningful life you now have. You smile, feeling a deep sense of gratitude and peace. You know you chose well. This feeling is not reserved for a special few. It is not only for the naturally brave or the incredibly lucky. It is available to anyone who is willing to make a choice and begin. It is for the person who is tired of waiting. It is for the person who hears that quiet whisper calling them towards something more. Your life can change in the most profound ways, but it will not happen by accident. It will happen because you decide. It will happen because you say yes to yourself. Your journey begins with that single, powerful word. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment will never arrive. There will always be a reason to wait. There will always be more research to do, more money to save, more certainty to seek. But the path is not created by waiting. It is created by walking. The perfect time is an illusion that keeps us stuck in the pause. You create the perfect time by starting now with what you have, from where you are. Take one small step. That is all that is asked of you today. Just one. Every great story, every great transformation, every great life begins with a single decision. This is your moment. This is your crossroads. Stand here for as long as you need to. Feel the weight. Listen to your fear. And listen to your hope.